easy-to-use wizard guides you through each step to create a new point-to-point. Secure, seamless, automated, intelligent native integration between SAP Concur, the world's most powerful spend management tool, and S/4HANA allows you to manage payables and get a complete view of your finances in one place effortlessly and accurately. Let's take a closer look at how SAP enables an intelligent enterprise. Connecting S/4HANA to your SAP Concur system is simple. An easy-to-use wizard guides you through each step to create a new point-to-point connection. First, select where you want to set up a direct connection or you prefer to use middleware. Next, enter the client ID, secret, refresh token, company UUID, and Concur company ID that you received from your Concur representative. Once you have set up the connection, you can directly log into the SAP Concur system. You can also enable single sign-on. At any time, you're able to check a connection with just a click. The system will call every web service used in the process and verify that each API is up and running. The vendor wizard is available to guide you through the setup of vendor export to SAP Concur. First, specify how vendors are transferred to SAP Concur. You can export your vendors as simple individual vendor records or as vendor address records. You can review the default field mapping based on the Concur vendor form. You have the option to export all your vendors or use the phased rollout function to export them via company code or controlling area. Schedule the export of vendors to occur automatically, or you can do it manually. Check your settings and click complete. It's that simple. You have the option to apply custom field mappings. Custom field mapping uses the available fields listed in the vendor schema of the Vendor 3.1 API. You can insert your own business add-in code and make modifications as needed. SAP integration with SAP Concur Invoice also provides full process transparency in both systems. Simply initiate the feedback loop to automatically import all invoices from Concur that are ready to be processed. The system will automatically provide confirmation that the document was successfully posted in SAP, or that it failed, including the reason why. Robust mass data enabled integration allows you to identify the error, make the appropriate changes, and see that the invoice is successfully posted, and easily. Expand your digital transformation and control your finances with end-to-end encrypted and fully automated data between S/4HANA, SuccessFactors, and other integrations with SAP Concur. For more information how our intelligent integration-ready applications help manage invoices, expenses, network employees, funds and grants, and core processes.
Seamless, automated, native integration between SAP Concur, the world's most powerful spend management tool, and SAP ERP allows you to effortlessly and accurately manage expenses and get a complete view of your finances in one place. Let's take a closer look. Connecting SAP ERP to your SAP Concur system is simple. An easy-to-use wizard guides you through each step to create new point-to-point connections or edit existing ones. First, select whether you want to set up a direct connection or you prefer to use middleware. Next, enter the consumer key, secret, and Concur company ID that you received from your Concur representative. Provide your username and password, and enter the required information provided by SAP Concur about the gateway host, client secret, and company UUID. Once you've set up the connection, you can directly log into the SAP Concur system. You can also enable single sign-on. At any time, you're able to check a connection. With just a click, the system will call every web service used in the process and verify that each API is up and running. For faster processing of expenses for faster payments, wizards are available to guide you through the setup of cost objects, like cost centers and internal orders. First, specify the hierarchy of the cost object types which will be transferred to SAP Concur. You have the option to export all your internal orders or use the phased rollout function to export them via company code or controlling area. Schedule the export of internal orders to occur automatically, or you can do it manually. Check your settings and click Complete. It's that simple. For every object, you have the option to insert your own code and make modifications as needed. SAP integration with SAP Concur solutions also provides full process transparency in both systems, which enables quick and efficient identification and correction of financial posting issues. Simply initiate the feedback loop to automatically import all expense reports from Concur that are ready to be processed. The system will immediately provide confirmation that the document was successfully posted in SAP or that it failed, including the reason why. Robust, mass data-enabled integration allows you to quickly and easily identify the error, make the appropriate changes, and see that the expense report is successfully posted. Expand your digital transformation and control your finances with end-to-end encrypted and fully automated data integration between SAP ERP and SAP Concur. To learn more, please contact us today.
fast-paced business world, time and efficiency are crucial. When you have questions, you need answers quickly without having to spend time researching or filing tickets with admins. Introducing Joule with SAP Concur. Joule is an AI co-pilot that amplifies employee expertise and impact by answering SAP Concur-related questions instantly. Let's take a look at Layla. She just finished hosting a company-wide event and is ready to compile her expense report. Layla's manager asked her to allocate a portion of the expenses to another department, but she is unsure what that means or how to do it. Rather than creating a ticket or searching knowledge bases, Layla opens Joule and asks for more information about allocations. Within seconds, Joule provides an answer and a link to the SAP Help portal for guidance. Layla now has all the information needed to complete and submit her expense report without taking extra steps and spending time researching. It's like having a personal expert to answer any expense questions and guide you through tasks within SAP Concur. For example, employees can ask how to update their bank information so they are reimbursed into the correct account. Or travelers can ask how to update their profiles with new details, like a pre-check number. Joule's capabilities are continuously evolving to support your travel and expense management process. Not only will admins save significant time handling support cases and answering questions, but your entire organization will see an uptick in productivity thanks to Joule's knowledge of SAP Concur. It's time to transform the way we use AI at work. Contact your sales representative to learn more about how Joule can streamline your organization's expense management process.
Work trips can be a lot of, work, especially when it comes to tracking your expenses, taking up time and energy that could be spent on making the most of the trip. But with Expenseit, you can automatically convert a pile of paper receipts into an expense report quickly and easily. No manual data entry required. Simply snap a picture of your receipts and Expenseit handles the rest. It identifies all the key info, such as amounts, currencies, dates, locations, expense types, payment types, and vendors. Then it automatically creates expense entries for everything from airport coffees to big client dinners in seconds. With AI and machine learning, Expenseit can handle it all with ease, even complex itemized receipts like hotel bills, or receipts in different languages. And if your phone is in airplane mode, the images will be saved to a queue ready for processing when you're back online. So you can stop worrying about missing receipts or manual entry errors. Expenseit works on the go as you go, saving time and reducing tedious tasks during and after your trip. Plus, Expenseit works hand in hand with the rest of the SAP Concur ecosystem to make traveling for work a breeze, from the earliest planning to coming home. And you can use Expenseit in the mobile app, over email, and on the web, so it works however you do. Less busy work means better, more productive work travel, and happier employees who look forward to their next work trip. For more on how Expenseit can simplify your expense reporting, visit concur.com.
Finance team, you probably know the name SAP Concur. It's the world's leading brand for integrated expense, travel, and invoice management solutions. But do you know what SAP Concur solutions could do for you? Our technologies eliminate mundane, time-consuming tasks by simplifying financial processes. So no more manual auditing of incomplete expense reports, lost time chasing down missing receipts, or costly vendor-late payment fees. SAP Concur Solutions also provides near real-time visibility into spend for faster, data-driven decisions, making it easier to manage policy risk and compliance. Your employees, in turn, will be able to focus on developing strategies to help your business succeed. That's why over 50,000 companies and 60 million employees in over 150 countries choose SAP Concur Solutions for automated spend management to drive increased efficiency from start to finish, protecting you from potential fraud and risks, and delivering an improved employee experience. SAP Concur Solutions can help your business run better too. Get started today.
As the leader in integrated travel and expense management, We know how important it is to help the people involved in business travel with modern, effective tools. That's why we've invested in the re-platformed Concur travel online booking tool, featuring a new consumer-like user experience, robust content and smart solutions. Let's take a look, starting with booking a flight. A cleaner search feature provides business travellers with a more intuitive travel planning experience and streamlined booking process, like they are used to on a consumer site. Search results show a wide array of fares and options for all the airlines serving that market. There are a variety of filter options. In this case, filter by your company's most preferred airline and choose the time, price and cabin options that best fit your travel needs. Messages about CO2 emissions even help you select travel options that meet your company's sustainability targets. Preview seat availability by cabin, such as business, premium and economy. The sidecar displays details and amenities for each cabin. Take a closer look at the amenities and various fares. One click gets you details about your onboard experience and product experience with rich detail and imagery. When you select the fare you want, the return flight options appear. This one includes a checked bag. Click and the Review and Book page enables you to select seats. You're prompted to add frequent flyer and TSA information if not already in the system. Then Book. Let's check out hotel options. You'll see our new intuitive display with hotel options, room prices, a redesigned interactive map view, plus the ability to view photo carousels for each hotel. Sustainability information is more prominently featured in the upper right corner, and cancellation policies are available in line when reviewing availability. Checkout is familiar and similar to Air, where we review and book. Next, as we move to booking a car, you'll see the interface is familiar and easy to use. Enter pick-up and drop-off locations. You can easily choose an off-airport location, dates of travel, and where available, delivery and collection. The search returns available options showing your company's corporate preference and corporate rate. And this new feature lets you easily filter by sustainable options, such as electric or hybrid. Another great new feature is the map view, where you can drill down into dense urban areas to select rental locations. Review your choice and book. Now let's look at key enhancements on mobile. The Concur travel web and mobile experiences are evolving in tandem as we understand that parity is important. You can search by airport or by city, which is a new feature in Air that users have been asking for. In search results, click View More Flights to see more results, or filter by the number of stops, in-policy fares, departure and arrival times, amenities, cabin class and more. View details and see amenities available. Just like the web, seat selection is also enhanced in mobile. Back on the Details page, you'll review trip information including baggage policy. Adding a new form of payment during checkout is another new feature, as is custom fields under additional information that can be configured by your company. After you accept rules and confirm your flight, a new feature lets you add a car or hotel to an existing trip. Dates are auto-filled and align with your flight. The same filter features are available in mobile search as we saw on web hotel search. You'll also see the sustainability indicator and map view is available. Filter by brand amenities, sustainability and more, and to narrow results, sort by price. Sustainable properties have certifications under the Details tab, like this green leaf certification of 3 leaves. There's enhanced imagery within search and booking is now intuitive in the Room tab. As we saw with the Air experience on the Review and Book page, there are custom fields that are specific to company policy. You can confirm your trip here or keep going and add a car rental. The dates in the car search auto-match our flight time frame. Here you can also now search by city. As in the web experience, results can be viewed in a list and on a map. Sort results by distance, policy compliance and price, or preferred rental company, and filter to search by hybrid or electric. Your company can now leverage custom fields to support policy compliance and add any necessary details before confirming your entire trip: air, hotel, and car. Thanks for touring the re-platformed Concur travel online booking tool with us today. We aim to help you make travel planning, booking, and expensing more intuitive, stay more compliant and effective, and tailor solutions to your specific needs. This is just the start of many planned travel enhancements we're excited to share with you on this journey. Business travel is changing, and so are we.
It's not easy to manage numerous sources of spend and maintain budgets for your organization, especially with inefficient pre-spend approval processes. You need a solution that streamlines and automates spend requests and approvals, so you have visibility and control over the spend before it happens. Concur Request lets you manage budgets, improve forecasting, and enhance policy compliance, all while providing an intuitive user experience. It collects the need-to-know info from your employees before the spend occurs, like the business reason for the request, if travel is required, and what expenditures will be made, so approvers can make quick and informed decisions. Plus, employees can track the status of their requests in real time, so they're not left waiting and wondering. Sending your marketing team to a conference? Combine Concur Request with Concur Travel for a seamless process from requesting spending to booking travel. Featuring generative AI, Concur Request provides intelligent travel cost estimates, saving your employees time and effort. Pair it with Concur Expense, and your employees find their expense reports automatically populated with details from the approved request. And expense reports can be automatically approved if they are below the original amount requested. Plus, the budget manager can compare planned versus actual spend to refine policies and manage funds. With a bird's eye view of spending every step of the way, it's easier to prevent cost overruns, freeing up your team to focus on key tasks. Need to request corporate credit cards? Not sure if a client gift is compliant? Planning a team dinner? You can integrate Concur Request with your existing systems to answer these questions and more. Visit concur.com today to start simplifying your request and approval process.
If you're looking for a way to simplify invoice-based spending, accelerate accounts payable processing, and gain visibility and control into how employees are spending money, look no further than SAP Concur. Concur Invoice automates the entire invoice management process, and by integrating invoice, travel, and expense management into a single system, you can easily track and manage your budget. Let's take a closer look. Designed for efficiency, visibility, and ease of use, SAP Concur connects invoices to the rest of your business spending with a single integrated solution. Invoices can be submitted via email, hard copy, or electronically. Data is extracted by OCR software and is validated and corrected by either an auditor or an invoice verifier, and then assigned to the invoice owner within the system. At the line item level, Concur Invoice captures the description, quantity, unit price, and categorizes the item by expense type. For complex invoices that may require extensive allocation, the system allows the ability to import distributions from Excel, edit the distribution, or save user-specific favorite distributions. To efficiently process invoices tied to purchase orders, the system can automatically populate PO data from your purchasing or ERP systems. Or you can take advantage of the Purchase Request module. To ensure budget dollars are spent as intended, the solution's matching capabilities compare invoices to purchase orders and goods receipts and instantly displays exceptions. When invoices are submitted, SAP Concur's dynamic approval workflow capabilities ensure invoices are approved by the right people in a timely manner. In the office or on the go, open the SAP Concur mobile app to approve invoices, purchase orders, and expense reports, all with one app. At a glance, you're provided with a summary, an image of the invoice, as well as the line item details. With one click, the invoice can be approved or sent back with a comment to the submitter as to why it was rejected. To help your organization better manage every payment you make to suppliers, SAP Concur not only provides complete visibility into how your team is planning to spend, but also where they've already spent. Invoices that are ready for processing are conveniently organized in one location, making it simple to pinpoint unassigned or unsubmitted invoices. The solution also offers a payment manager, which automatically prepares payment batches for you. With a single reporting data warehouse that contains both expense and invoice spend, SAP Concur helps you gain actionable insight into your bottom line. Eliminating time-consuming manual effort, this default accrual report provides detailed information for every invoice in the system, enabling you to see what the status is, where it is, and who has it. As an added benefit, this report can be automatically emailed to department heads to keep them informed of upcoming expenses. SAP Concur's comprehensive KPIs and dashboards also enable you to slice and dice spend data to see how long it's taking to process invoices, compare invoice and expense spending by department, and identify trends in spending with vendors, and use that information in ongoing supplier negotiations. Plus, you integrate directly with your other applications using SAP Concur App Center partners to optimize your solution for specific business challenges. Concur Invoice Management offers a holistic, connected approach to managing all your spending, whenever, wherever. Contact an SAP Concur executive to get started.
To accommodate where and how employees work. At the same time, regulatory demands are increasing. Companies are feeling the pressure to improve benefits, and it's becoming more difficult to stay compliant and audit-ready as governments become more digitally savvy. Whether you've evolved compensation packages to attract and retain top talent, or you're altering policies to accommodate today's work-from-home and hybrid workforce realities, you could be overlooking taxable employee benefits. This could lead to non-compliance issues, including government penalties. Some employee benefits, like cell phone plans and expenses related to working from home, aren't simple to track and manage. They often require tedious manual review, context, and specific regulatory knowledge and expertise to process accurately. That's where SAP Concur can help. Concur Benefits Assurance by Blue Dot is an automated AI and ML-powered solution that identifies, tracks, and captures transactions that carry tax liability hidden deep within expense reports. It handles the complexity of each country's tax regulations together with your company policy, more cost-effectively and with greater accuracy and speed. Concur Benefits Assurance runs seamlessly behind the scenes. Its computational engine learns and makes sense of information in context, while dynamically updated rules templates and a customizable rules engine allow you to track benefits on a global scale. Even as more governments look to increase revenue from non-compliance, you can achieve peace of mind against audits and penalties, gain control and visibility, and ensure you're spending money where you're getting the most value for your employees and your organization. How are you managing your taxable employee benefits? If you're still relying on manual, error-prone methods that don't offer the scalability your organization needs, please contact us today to learn more about Concur Benefits Assurance by Blue Dot.
What if you could reduce your non-compliant T&E spend by as much as 70%? If you could boost your ability to identify patterns of misuse or fraud, would you? With AI-driven software solutions from SAP Concur, you can. The Concur Detect solution by Oversight superpowers your expense audit program. Concur Detect by Oversight helps you reduce risk, improve employee spend compliance, and increase controls and visibility. Enjoy a simplified process. Concur Detect integrates with Concur Expense to analyze 100% of expense reports automatically. Validate receipts with multiple data points: amount, date, and vendor. Concur Detect helps detect risk along the payment lifecycle by identifying critical violations